Ever wanted to connect deeper with Filipino culture through its language? Your journey starts right here. Hi, Teacher Abby here. As a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino graduate, a civil service exam passer, and certificate holder in Panimula Kasanayan sa Gramatikang Filipino from University of the Philippines Open University, I'm passionate about making language learning simple and practical. Having taught over 150 students in Filipino, pagbasa at pagsusulat, and text analysis for research, I know exactly how to break down the essentials so you can start using Tagalog naturally. In my class, we go step by step in a supportive, interactive environment designed to build your skills without the stress. Let's make learning Tagalog easy and fun. See you in class!